My name is Marquila McClain, and I'm from Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And this is a testimony about my experience with North River Properties. I am so elated that Thomas DeMoss contacted me about a piece of property that I owned here in Chattanooga. He was the kindest man I have dealt with in a very long time, very courteous, very respectful, and was very eager to make a deal with me. And I really appreciated that. He understood how I felt about the neighborhood. And the property actually was a property that was mine at the death of my aunt. So it meant a lot to her, and he knew that when he spoke to me, and he handled me with care. He knew that this was sensitive for me, and I really appreciate him taking that time and being sensitive to my needs and my cares and concerns. The transaction was super easy. He stayed in contact with me the whole time, and I really appreciate that. It was less than a 2 to 3 week process, and we both came out as happy, very happy with the deal, and I wish him all the luck in the world in his future endeavors. And thank you.